This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, we're going to do a quick tutorial again in our AvonNow app. So you're going to want to click here, AvonNow. That's what it looks like. This is going to be on your phone or on your tablet. We're going to do invoicing customers. Even if you do not print your invoices, this is the best place to go to see and remember where, what people ordered and make sure that you're charging them all that you need to be doing. So you're going to want to go up here to these three lines. We go there for just about everything. And then we're going to go down to Manage Business and then up to Web Office. And then you're going to go right here to Invoice Customers. Now it's going to pull up 4 campaigns of orders. So you're going to want to choose the order that you are working on. I have an order coming. It has not gotten here, so I will not click into this one yet, because what they're going to want to know immediately is if I check to make sure if there was anything missing from my box. So I'm going to go ahead and click into the second order down, my last order, just so that you guys can see what it looks like when you go in here. Hold on. Gotta click the right button. All right, so when you go in, it's going to tell you the date it was submitted. It's going to tell you your total, and it will also tell you, yeah, so it's just going to give you the basics up there. What you're going to look at here is the center. This is where you're going to view and edit what individuals ordered. So if you go in, you go over here, it will give you their order ID. So you're going to click into one of these orders. I'm going to go into, we'll go down, I'll just pick one, go down to my third order here, and it's going to give me, okay, it's Susan's order. She ordered a new power serum. She ordered one there across the top. The price for her is $26.49. That's what you need to charge her. The regular price is, if they do not have a rep, the price is what they get, is the sell price they get with shopping with a rep. You can do adjustments if you want to give a discount. You can put it here in the adjusted column, and then it's going to give you the totals for each. You also have an opportunity here to put if it's missing, or if you need to delete something, you can do that here on the invoice, and it will, if you're printing it, it will show on the next invoice that something was missing and that you're waiting on it. What you want to look at up here in the corner of the worksheet is a service charge. I charge $1 for a service charge for individuals, especially if they're picking up at my house. But I do charge $1, so that means every customer gets charged $1. I have one individual that we deliver to, I charge $2 service charge to them. That just helps me cover shipping, and if I have to deliver something, a little bit towards gas. You want to make sure that your tax rate is put in here, so it is figuring the taxes to be charged to that individual, and so it will automatically figure the taxes, and it will give me the dollar amount for this order. And then if I scroll down here, it will, I will have the option to save and print. and then it will put it here in a print queue and give me how much, her invoice and how much her total invoice is. That's with tax and processing fee. So just to make sure that you are charging your customers exactly what it is that needs to be charged, what you do from here is if you do this portion, you would go back to the home invoicing home page. There are other things that you can do here, but I'm doing a basic tutorial. So invoicing, then I would go back, scroll over, choose that one again, and then I would just go on to another customer. I'll show you this first one because I did give a discount on it. So this one right here, what it looks like when you give a discount. So it showed me what she ordered, how many, the amount, but you can see right there, I gave her a 20% discount. This was a one-time discount for a really faithful customer. And so it figured up for me the totals after giving her the discount. But again, and once you have this in up here, you can enter it up here, your service charge, your tax rate, and then that way it gives you the amount. So you're going to want to add the $10 to your 105, and that will be the amount. If you need to add something, like you had something in stock, you're going to want to, like at your house, you just add order and you just fill in the blanks. And then if you were to fill it all in, you would go down here to the bottom where it says update, and then you would just update with that information that you entered, and it would give you a new total. I didn't change anything, so it's not going to change any of my totals. Again, you could go down here. You can also preview, and that would be a good way, as if you're handwriting it. It would be a good way for you to do it because it's going to give you a preview of what it looks like, and that way you can write down what was ordered. You can write down your totals. This one has the discount, and then it's going to give you your total, your service charge, your tax, your discount, and your total. Again, your total will be up here also. So that's just a way to be able to, even if you're handwriting these, to let Avon do the figuring for you. If you have any further questions or would like to know anything further, please just let me know.